Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card with your PayPal account. So the first thing you need to do is dial in paypal.com/us/gifts/all and you'll find this page over here. You can also just Google PayPal gift cards. So this is the page, and here you can see we're on cards. Here you can search the type of card that you would like to actually send or purchase, and here are some of their most popular. So you can now go through what they have available in terms of gift cards and choose one. I'm going to go ahead and choose this Apple gift card over here, and all you need to do is click on it. It gives you a description of everything it can be used for, which is really convenient. And then you can now choose the amount. So either from 25 up to 100, or if you choose other, you can go and choose the exact amount. There is a maximum of $100. So if you need more than that, you need to make sure that you are maybe buying 2 gift cards to make this up. You have 2 options here. Either that this is a gift, you need to add the email address of the person that is going to be receiving this, your name, and then a personal message if you would like to add that personal message, and then you can schedule this to be sent either today or sometime in the future. And then if you want to just purchase the gift card for yourself, just go and choose this option and click on add to cart, and all the rest of those options would not be necessary. Once you've clicked on add to cart, you'll see that there's a little number over here in my cart. You can just go and click on that. Here you will see your actual gift card. You can go down and click on buy now, and you will literally purchase the gift card, and it will be sent to the person you're gifting it to, or just to your own email address.